Ooh, that's a good one. You're just too pretty not to video this morning, my Nene. Oh, her's a good girl. Yeah. Has Ichabod got the bed? He's under there, under the covers, and if she tries to lay down, he'll growl at her. Hey, Nene. Oh, her's a pretty girl. Yes, there is. Oh, I love her. I love that girl. Yes, I do. Her's so smart. Smartest dog ever. So the only time I get in trouble is if there's a chicken out of the pen. I may try to get it, but look at me, Nene. But definitely, if it gets in my pen, I will eat it. Yeah. Tell everybody bye. Little Icky. Where's little Icky? Are you a happy boy? Give me that butt. Give me that butt. Are you happy? Are you happy? Oh, I love him. Let's see that pretty face. Let's see that pretty face. Oh my goodness, come here. You like telling everybody how happy you are. See, even though I was a cold little boy last night. Hey, Icky. It's okay. You don't have to keep telling everybody. Look at me. Look at me. Look at me. Don't make yourself sick. It's okay. You are so damn cute. You know that? You know that? Yeah. Say, look, we gotta go get my toenails cut. I don't like that. They have to put me to sleep to get my nails. Right. You'll bite everybody in there, won't you? Including me. But it's time. I have it done twice a year. Twice a year we go get... He used to wouldn't even let me touch his nails, but his feet. But now I can at least cut them. And I thought maybe I might try putting a muzzle on him and letting him just do it right quick. But last year, I just went toward him with a muzzle, and he did not like that. He was a wild baby, but he's calmed down some. So maybe, just maybe, he might let me put a muzzle on him, because I worry about him putting him all the way to sleep, because he's getting old, and there's danger every time they do it, but can't let him run around like this. Yeah. Ichabod, you gonna let Mommy put a muzzle on you? Ichabod, you gonna let Mommy put a muzzle on you? Huh? Or you gonna bite me? Would you bite Mommy? Huh? Oh, he's calmed down so much compared to what he used to be. I mean, it was just madness when I first got him. But he was rescued from the floods in Atlanta 2 or 3 years ago, and I've had him 2 years now. And we don't know what he's been through or what he's seen, or if he could have seen his owners drowned, but because no one ever come to claim him, and he had really been taken care of. I mean, he was neutered, and you could tell someone had spent a lot of time with him, and he loves to ride. Completely house trained, never had an accident, doesn't pee on everything in the house, you know, nothing like that. I mean, he's just a perfect little dog, but something scared him. And he's a fear biter. If he gets cornered or scared, watch out. But like I said, he's come a long way. Tell everybody bye. Tell everybody bye. Ichabod. Alright, that was good. That was really good. Love you, boy.